The Split tool in ArcGIS Pro allows you to divide features into smaller parts and different shapes, which can be useful when editing maps. To use the Split tool, go to the Edit tab, click Modify Features and select Split. Here I've already created a polygon by tracing a campus map. Select the feature you want to split, draw a line intersecting both sides of the feature and click Finish. You'll now have two smaller features that retain the original shape and the attributes of the polygon. If you need to create curved or custom splits, use the drawing tools on the construction toolbar. To split multiple features at once, enable Allow Splitting without a selection in the tool settings and split as normal. This produces new columns of data with updated measurements in your table. The Split tool simplifies editing tasks, whether you're dividing campus zones or modifying other maps. Don't forget to save your edits frequently.